Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas and we're going to give you an update on the Suncoast Beach Club. Now to the right, that is the old road that used to be the road you drive on to get to St. Thomas. To the left, and you're going to see it in a little bit, is the Southern Coastal Highway. 4-lane dual carriageway, which is a game changer for St. Thomas. That new road has opened up St. Thomas to development. This development is one of many. So we are going to give you an update as to the latest as to what's happening with the Suncoast Beach Club. The parish of St. Thomas in Jamaica has long been considered one of the island's most underdeveloped regions, often referred to as the Forgotten Parish. However, the construction of the Suncoast Beach Club, a massive $35 billion resort-style residential project, is set to transform this narrative. Developed by TCF Holdings Limited, the project is a significant milestone in Jamaica's real estate landscape and plays a central role in the government's vision of revitalizing the parish through infrastructure, tourism, and housing development. The Suncoast Beach Club is located in 12 Mile St. Thomas, just 15 minutes from Kingston, making it one of the most strategically placed residential developments in Jamaica. Spread across approximately 90 acres of prime beachfront property, the gated community offers 396 residential units comprising townhouses, duplexes, villas, and condominiums. Its design combines modern coastal architecture with a resort-style living experience, catering to both local professionals and returning members of the Jamaican diaspora seeking high-quality housing options. The development is being completed in 3 phases. Phase 1 began in March 2023, featuring 133 units of 2-bedroom townhouses and duplexes. Phase 2 will include about 170 additional homes, while Phase 3 will focus on condominiums and premium villas. The Suncoast Beach Club has been designed to provide residents with a luxury resort lifestyle. Among its standout features are a private therapeutic black sand beach, a clubhouse and spa, multiple swimming pools, jogging trails, dog park, a skate park, and observation decks, and a 15,000 square foot commercial hub at the entrance, which will house a supermarket, restaurants, pharmacy, and offices. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.